We're going to look now at sources of drafts within a home. There are some major areas to look at. The first is doors. Of course, we're looking predominantly at external doors, and we're going to look at all the different types of doors there are and how they might be treated later on. The second is windows. Again, there's lots of different types of windows and varying amounts of draft depending on the individual window. We're going to look at gaps and cracks. So anywhere that two different surfaces meet, you've got potential for gaps and cracks and airflow to happen there. Fireplaces, of course, are often a really huge amount of draft from fireplaces. We're going to look at vents, fans and skylights. Skylights sometimes highly ventilated. Fans, of course, are often just big holes in the ceiling. And we're going to look at lighting and how it relates to draft. And finally, we're going to look at zoning, which zoning is not a draft in itself, but it's a way to control draft, and it's a way to make your home more energy efficient in some cases.